Hello student, welcome. Myself Siddhi Mashelkar, in charge of the Department of Political Science, Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, KPIM, Goa. In last video, I have told you about the papers offered by the Department of Political Science. In this video, I am going to give you the insight of each paper. It means what the papers will teach you. First, we will see the first semester, first year BA papers. The first paper is discipline specific core paper, which is Introduction to Political Theory. This paper introduces basic theories in political science. Here, students will learn the meaning, nature, and scope of politics. Students will learn the theories on political philosophy, various approaches like traditional, modern, and postmodern. Other theories in this paper are theory of power, authority, and legitimacy, and theory of state. Next paper is generic elective paper, that is GE paper, named as Contemporary Issues in India. This course will introduce students significant issues and events that have made headlines in the country. For example, elections, environmental issues, anti-development protest, gender movements, economic policies of the country, and role of regional parties. Moving to the second semester in first year BA, DSC course is Politics and Political Ideas. This paper includes different political ideas that have impact on society at large. Various political ideas students will learn in this paper are liberty, equality, justice, liberalism, socialism, citizenship, rights, democracy, and nationalism. Second paper is generic elective paper, that is GE paper, named as Contemporary Global Affairs. In this course, students will learn significant issues at international level, politically and socially. Example, WTO, G20, United Nations, and international issues like terrorism and environmental issues. Third semester in SYBA, Department offers 3 papers. First is discipline specific core paper on Indian Constitution. This paper familiarizes students with the Indian Constitution. It includes the topics like making of Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principle of state policy. It also includes 3 organs of the government and its functions like legislature, executive, and judiciary. Second generic elective paper is Introduction to Human Rights. This paper includes the nature and concept of human rights, its historical evolution, and contemporary debates. It includes human rights at international system and human rights in Indian state. Third is skill enhancement course paper, which is Introduction to Political Theory. This paper teaches the basics of journalism and political reporting. It enhances student skills in journalism, specifically in reporting political news. Next is 5th semester in SYBA. The DSC paper is Constitutional and Social Issues in India. This paper teaches the constitutional and social issues in post-independence period. For example, federal system, political parties, elections and democracy. Second is generic elective paper, which is women's movement and empowerment. This paper familiarizes students the women's movement. It teaches the origin and nature of women's movement at international, national and local level. Third is skill enhancement course paper, which is democracy and legal literacy. This course teaches students the democratic ideas and legal system of India. In this paper, students get knowledge on various laws in India, to name some: how to file FIR, RTI, consumer rights and many more. Next is fifth semester. As you have been already told, department offers two options in TYBA: honor and general course. Honor course students in fifth semester learn 6 papers. So let's see. First is Western political thinkers, Plato to Locke. This paper teaches political views, works of selected Western thinkers right from early Greek period to the modern times. Second is Indian political thinkers, Kautilya to Vivekananda. This paper teaches the student the political ideas of Indian political thinkers like Kautilya, Rajaram Mohan Roy, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Swami Vivekananda and Sir Aurobindo Ghosh. Third paper is Government and Politics of Goa Union Territory Phase 1961 to 1987. In this paper, students learn about political development and political events that occurred in Goa during the Union Territory phase. It includes the role of political parties and the role of chief ministers in the political development of Goa since liberation. Fourth paper is International Relations. This paper teaches the basic concepts and issues in international relations. It looks at international systems like functioning of United Nations Organization, WTO and World Bank. Fifth paper is Public Administration. This paper imparts knowledge on fundamental concepts of public administration. Public administration is nothing but managing the functioning of the government. Sixth paper is Comparative Government. This paper makes comparative study of functioning of government of various countries like USA, UK, China. This paper mainly studies about the legislature, executive and judiciary of these three countries. Sixth semester in honors course. Here students learn 5 papers and 1 project. First paper is Western Political Thinkers, Rousseau to Marx. In this paper, students learn about the political ideas of modern Western thinkers. Second paper is Indian Political Thinkers, Gandhi to Lohia. Here the Indian political thinkers like Gandhi, Sir Syed Ahmad, Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Ram Mohan Lohiya and Maulana Azad. Third paper is Government and Politics in Goa Post-Statehood. Here students learn about the political development and issues in Goa post-statehood. Post meaning after statehood. Fourth paper is India's Foreign Policy. In this course, Students learn the issues pertaining to India's foreign policy like SARC, BRICS, India's relations with neighboring countries like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and various challenges like terrorism and nuclear threats. Fifth paper is comparative politics. It includes political process of selected countries like USA, UK, France and China. Here students learn about the political parties, interest groups and social movements pertaining to these countries. TYBA General Course. In 5th semester, students learn two papers, that is Western Political Thinkers, Plato to Locke. Same thing here students learn as student of honor course are studying, that here you have to learn about the Western political thinkers. Second is public administration. Here various administrative theories will be taught to you, same as like taught in the honor course. In the 6th semester, the department offers for general course two papers, Western political thinkers, Rousseau to Marx. The same thing student will learn as it is introduced in the honors course. And discipline specific elective paper which is optional to project, that is Indian administration. Here students mainly learn about the Indian administration and issues like planning process and various public services like education, health, sanitation is discussed in this paper. So this is all about the insight of the papers offered by the Department of Political Science. All the best. Thank you.